What if your phone could work like a mini laptop? That's exactly what this keyboard does. It's a wireless keyboard with touchpad. It's compatible for iPhone, Galaxy, laptop, or iPad. Let's open the box. This is our keyboard. This is touchpad. So this is on and off button. Let's make on. This is wireless 1, wireless 2, caps locks, battery, and this is battery. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do it. So after the turn on, press Fn and 1 and wait. When the blue light continuously flashing, is turn on the Bluetooth device. Let's check. Okay, this is the keyboard, wireless 1. Let's pair. Look, I connected. Also here, you can make like that. Let me do it like that. Okay, I'm going to put my phone something. Look at, let me look at. It's easy, so useful. Also, you can use as a touchpad, but before using touchpad, first you should check accessibility and touch. You should own assistive touch. Look, I own assistive touch. Okay, now I'm going to show you the touchpad. To open the touchpad, press Fn 2 seconds after ESG. Okay, look at touch the Fn 2 seconds after ESG and look, touchpad. Can you see? And if you want to click right, just click here. If you want to click here. This is right and this is left. You can use your phone as a laptop. Look at. You want to connect the second device, it's easy. Fn 2. Okay, look, to my tablet. Chat, I am writing. So it's easy. You can connect easily with the Bluetooth and you can pair two devices at the same time. Switching with your phone and tablets only take one button. As I said, okay. Now I am in the tablet. Now I am going to connect to the phone. How? Fn/1. Look, I disconnected my iPad and connect to my phone. Look at, it's easy. Just Fn1 and Fn2, switching between each other. It is small enough to fit your bag and still gives you comfortable keyboard built-in touchpad, so you don't have to carry a separate mouse. You can use as a mouse the touchpad. The keys are well spaced, so typing feels much easier than using the phone screen. Okay. So easy to write. The feature is the leather cover. It protects the keyboard when you are traveling and keeps everything together. I like that one too. Look at the cover, it's leather. Also, they make like that stands. You can stand your phone like that, or mini tablet or Galaxy tablet like that, and you can write it. If you are traveling a lot, want to get more work on your phone or tablet, this keyboard definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching.